Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Study Mama. So today we are not going to study any new concept, rather I will be uploading the worksheets for you. These worksheets gonna be chapter wise, and what you have to do is you have to pause the video in between and you have to read the questions out there, solve it in your notebook and practice well, because these worksheets gonna help you in preparing yourself well for the exams. Alright, so today the worksheet that I am uploading is for the chapter money. So to practice these questions, what you have to do is you have to check out my playlist Mathematics for Class 3, and in that playlist you will find the chapter money tutorial. First you have to go through the tutorial completely, learn all the concepts, and then come here and solve these worksheets. Alright, so after completing this worksheet you will be able to solve all the problems related to the chapter money. Okay, so let's start with the worksheet. So pause the video here, and what you have to do is you have to solve the first question, which is convert rupees into paisa. Now the next is conversion of paisa into rupees and paisa. Next is addition of money. You have to add the values of money. Here are some word problems. Subtraction of money, and word problems on subtraction of money. Multiplication of money, and some word problems related to multiplication of money. Now division of money, and some word problems Now read the questions carefully and decide whether to add, subtract and multiply or divide. So these are the word problems where you have to decide whether you have to add, subtract, multiply or divide. Some more questions. Some more word problems. So children, thank you for watching this video, and if you like the worksheet and if you like the way I am explaining the concepts, please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. So I have explained all the concepts in my previous tutorial videos. In case you want the soft copy of this or you want to download the worksheet, please comment below on this video. I will be sharing you the link to download these worksheets. Till then, goodbye. Prepare well for your exams. Stay fit, stay healthy and keep smiling. Bye-bye.